In early 1941, Bletchley Park were being frustrated by a lack of progress in decrypting messages. It would be really good to get a naval Enigma machine and code books. Submarines and surface naval ships were naturally well defended, but Bletchley Park realised that the weather ships that the Germans maintained would be less well defended. They didn't use Enigma to send their weather reports back to Germany, but they had one on board to be able to receive instructions. There was a weather trawler, the Krebs, stationed in the Lofoten Islands. Why don't we go and grab it? Fortunately, at the same location were a number of fish oil processing ports, the fish oil being used to make explosives, so a legitimate target for a raid. 4 Tribal-class destroyers, like this one, another destroyer, 2 transport vessels, they both looked like this, all sailed for the islands on March the 1st. They arrived on the morning of the 4th. The ports were all lit up, indicating total surprise. Many of the locals thought it was a German training exercise. When they realised what was going on, the Norwegians made the troops coffee. Lieutenant Willis sent a telegram to A. Hitler, Berlin, which said, "You said in your last speech German troops would meet the British wherever they landed. Where are your troops?" Not part of the script, but it must have turned Hitler apoplectic. The installations were blown up. They destroyed 11 factories, 800,000 gallons of oil and 7 ships. They also gave free passage to 314 volunteers, including 8 women, for the Norwegian forces, and took into custody 60 quislings and 225 German prisoners. The English manager of Messrs. Allen and Hanbury chemists, who had been caught there when the Germans occupied the country, was liberated. The cost to the Allies was an accidental, self-inflicted wound to an officer's thigh. He shot himself. The captain of the Krebs threw the machine and the code books over the side as he was supposed to, but still in the safe were the code books for the following month and the spare rotors for the Enigma machine. The commandos were disappointed. They had signed on for thrilling raids, and this seemed a bit too easy. The telegram sent to Hitler probably blinded him to the fact that the Enigma machine was the true target.